Hi everybody, welcome to this week's Make It Monday. For this week's project, we are going to be thinking spring and we are going to be making butterflies. And we're going to do butterflies that you can turn into decorations in your house. So, what do we need for this project? You need a butterfly. And for this, I'm using tissue paper. Tissue paper, everybody loves tissue paper projects. It's very relaxing. It makes a really beautiful finished product. So that's how we're gonna do this one. So I already said you need butterflies, you need cut up tissue paper, and you need some glue, and you need your creativity. So you can have as much fun with this as you would like. Let's get started. So you're gonna take your glue and you're gonna take your tissue paper. And if you want a pattern, you can do a pattern first. If you don't, I just like to do things like, I just like to wing it. So you put glue right on your paper, just like this. And then you take the tissue paper. I'm just gonna use squares, but if you wanted to, curl it up, make little balls out of it, you could do that and do that effect too. I'm just gonna put it right over, just like, see how easy that is? And you can go over the whole butterfly, just like this. And I'm just gonna cover up all this glue with my tissue paper. Let's find a piece that fits a little better. What do you think? Let's put this one on. And I like red. What's your favorite color? What do you think? What's your favorite color? I love red. I've already said that many times. All right, either hang it up like this, or look at the really cool stained glass effect you get when you do it just like this. Isn't that pretty neat? Now, if you want to do it, like I said when I started, I've seen people when we've done this project here in the library, they've like curled it up into little balls just like this, and then they've put it on using glue. They've covered the whole thing like this, and that's a really cool effect too. It's really just limited by whatever creativity you have and how you want the final picture to look. And maybe you do one of each. Isn't that a neat way to do it too? So in this week's Go Packs, we are going to have all of the supplies to do these fun butterflies at home. So what's going to be in your Go Pack? You're going to have 2 butterflies cut out just like this on cardstock. We're going to give you glue, and we are going to give you a whole bunch of tissue paper. So you can have all the fun, make some really cool butterflies. And as always, if you do it, please share them on our Instagram page, or take pictures of you doing it as a family. We love to see it. I will be back next week, next Monday, with I'm gonna have a food project next week, and I'm gonna have something fun that you can do with maybe leftover Easter candy. So I'll leave that as just a little bit of a teaser on what we're gonna see next week. Until then, I hope everybody has a great week. Remember, come in and pick up a Go Pack, but stop in early. They are very popular and they go quickly. Until next week, I'll see you soon.